Okay, so welcome to another round of my attempts to being better developer. Uh, as you probably heard, I'm doing the 25 minutes of typing exercise and 25 minutes of learning something. Uh, this stream it will be Angular. So let's just get into it. Hopefully, we'll not get bored to the death. And yeah, I should change writing on top. This is not correct. Learning Angular. Cool. 8. Everything's good. Everything's good. Next lesson. Start the timer. I'm really curious how many people will left here after this. This is not what I came for. He's just typing. Bum, bum, bum. Yep. Sometimes I forget where I put all the characters on this keyboard new. I know I'm out of the time, but I will finish this. Here we go. So I'll stop the timer, and what's the result? So it is 5% and 38 VPM, which is very good for me. So I'll enter it to, oh, come on. How can I do like the new tab in here, huh? Preferred mode is on, CMD, what is this? Oh, there's a 1, so maybe Alt 2. Alt 2, let's, no, Control 2. Try the same. Control Alt plus. Okay. Control Alt Shift plus. No, it doesn't work. How can I? Maybe it's somewhere in the help. Like on the home page, they could have that like written. CMD new tab. It's Alt R, Control T, maybe. Control T. Create new console. Start. Oh, okay, cool. Cool. Run this in other. Oh, that was because I couldn't run the. Ah, okay. I see. So I'll paste it. Oh, thank you. Maybe okay. So I will try this new app too, and we'll see if that works. Looks like it. Oh yeah, it works. It works. So I'll kill it, but it works. And now the chat is away. Now it's back. Oh, it works. It freaking works. That's pretty nice. And I am currently logging my attempt. CD into my application, def typing tracker, and it is what was the result? The result was 5 and 38. 38. Here we go. And that's better than my all-time average. Better last 7 days, last 3 days, and not better than my personal best. Okay, good. So back to tutorial. I'll start the tutorial timer. And we are reading the fundamentals. Thank you for the for this greedy AI. You see, he's professional. He knows how to do stuff. Angular guy. In the ng modules, okay. Just call it right class functional asset, functional sets. App is defined by a set of ng modules. So the application consists of like the modules. An app always has at least a root module that enables bootstrapping and typically has many more feature modules. Yeah, the beginnings are always the worst. Wow, there's still like 23 people like viewing. That's amazing. that's the most viewers I ever had. Components define views. Makes me a little bit nervous. Like so many people, I'm like, oh, what should I do? Am I doing well? Oh, funny how it's like changes, you know, like a perspective. Oh yeah, it's like, can you feel that pressure? Oh yes, I can. It's like even when I started, you know, and I had my like first viewer, I had similar thing. I was like, oh my god, someone is watching me, and then I was trying to interact with that person, right? And it turns out it was a bot. That was not a person, so I was talking to a bot for a while. Yeah, that happened. Yeah. So components define views, which are sets of screen elements that Angular can choose among and modify according to program logic data. So we have a modules, then we have a components, sets of screen elements. Okay. And we have services. So modules, components, services. No, views. Wait. We had a module. Suddenly there are components. So we have components define views. Then we have components use services. Okay, so now we have like 4 things. We have modules that consist of many things. And we have components, and we have views, and we have services. Services, pipes, directives, store. Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff. Okay. Not directly. There is no views. What? They said like they define views. I thought the HTML is the view. Or is it not? Trix knows the answer. Thank you so much, Trix. Welcome to the channel. Oh, template. A template and the view is the same thing. So we have the modules that contains everything, if I got it right. And we have components. The components have a view, which are called templates as well, I guess. And we have a services. So component is HTML, CSS, TS5. Oh, so those 3 things together. You can add the tests. That's directly related to view. Service providers can be, and we have a service providers can be injected. So we have modules, components, views, services, service providers. Injected into components as dependencies, making your code module reusable and efficient. Okay, cool. Modules, components, and services. Modules, components, services are classes that use decorators. These decorators mark their type and provide metadata that tells Angular how to use them. The metadata for a component class associates it with a template that defines a view. Component associates with a template that defines a view. Okay, so template defines a view. It's a little bit confusing to me. Okay, maybe I will understand better later. Template combines ordinary HTML with Angular directives and binding markup that allow Angular to modify the HTML before rendering it to display. The metadata for service class provides the information Angular needs to make it available to components through dependency injection. Okay. An app's components typically define many views. Exactly. I see. I still think it would be maybe good to kind of read through it and then just start making things, and maybe the understanding will come with the practice, right? Oh, this is a link. Huh. Is it like better visible if I have like the normal? No, it's not. Dark. Here we go. help you define navigation path amongst views. The router provides sophisticated in-browser navigation capabilities. See angle anniversary. And here is... Oh, here is like more detailed. Okay. There's modules, and we were here. Oh fuck, go back, here we go. Oh, that was quick. Many users directly and Go provides the router. Okay, good. Modules differ from component JavaScript modules. Okay. Requires and completion contains function. I just read through this quickly to get to the coding part. Okay, and there's like something which expands on it, okay. Okay, so I do component and the class below it is component, okay. Templates directives and data binding. Okay. Template component. There's this binding between those. This, what the fuck? Okay, service inject. Okay, together, blah blah blah. Yeah, that image is like. Is it? Okay, so they said like go read the Angular concept sections, which I did, and then that concept section kind of wants me to do this, but I feel like coding, so I will. Too much time on understanding that. Yeah, I want to go to coding. So here's through the tour of Heroes tutorial. I never really. Oh, that's fun. So we go to the Heroes app and tutorial. Well, we already did this. What code is arm? Come on. Okay, set up your local development and stop using the Angular CLI tool that we did, I think. Well, we got it installed, right, at least. Battery low. Yeah, it's getting late here too. But since I'm not working, so I don't have to wake up right tomorrow. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the help today, and thank you for that, for the opportunity. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. See you next time. Bye bye. Yeah, I have my own emote. I have like one emote. One viewer created it for me. Use derivatives. Okay, so here's what we built. Then they say here's the visualization, I guess. And so I can click those two, and that will switch between those views. If I click on this guy, it opens the detail. Back returns me to the list. Yeah, that's kind of... I do understand it. Let's build it. Okay. So where's the... Oh, here. Create a project. Okay. So set up your environment. Done. Create new workspace and initial application. So that is Angular Tour of Heroes. Okay, and this is Angular IO. I probably want to delete those. Okay, dash f Angular IO to reverse. Does it work? Why it takes so long? Delete this too, and then we will create that project. Ensure that I'm not in already a workspace. Change the parent to the folder, and then I'll create it like this. Copy, and here I add a pasty. So, what they say, browse you for information about features, except the defaults. Okay, so that's installing. This can take a few minutes, hopefully not. And we are out of the time for the round number 8, so we will continue to the next one. We have lots of viewers today. Well, everyone is leaving slowly, but that's okay.